I don't know how you would like to proceed, Christina, or?
If there are individuals that want to ask a question, go right ahead. You have 4 minutes.
I just want to make a quick comment.
And introduce yourself so that.
I'm Stacy Powers Square. I'm the executive director for APA. Thank you for coming and welcome to the mission once again. One of the issues addressed was around housing and the cost of living. And a lot of our employees along the table, they now live in Oakland. They live in the East Bay and need to commute. So the cost of living is creating a bigger commuting population to come to work at the nonprofits so people can afford to live, and they can't afford to live in San Francisco. So my employees get out of work at midnight at 12:30 because we do events and we do shows, and BART stops running at 11:45. My employees have to leave work at 11:45 so they can catch the last train back to East Bay. So I would just like to ask if there's some pressure to put on BART to at least extend BART to 2 a.m. so that we can have, if people can't afford to live here, at least they can get to work and get home from work.
It's better than a Bravo bus, huh?
Yes. We can do a Bravo bus, but I would need additional funding for a Bravo bus.
The cultural corridor.
I think we wanted to prioritize first folks who haven't had a chance to speak. So if there are people around the table.
Georgiana Hernandez, Executive Director of Acción Latina. One of the issues that we also face as arts organizations is the fees for permits for our festivals.
Yes.
And so one of the requests that we wanted to make was that the city consider waiving some of the permitting fees that, I know we're working with Carnival also, and Carnival spends a fair amount of the money that it gets from grants for the arts on the fees for, different street closures and that kind of thing. So I'm wondering if there's some possibility of getting some consideration on it.
Also, Mayor Lee, while this meeting is going on, there are people who are right next door, above us, and next to us, and across the street probably, who are being evicted. And they have no more time left. And they're waiting for an answer from the city or from some official to help them. They've been living here for 15, 20, 30 years, and they don't want to leave. They have all the amenities here that they need. They have transportation. They have everything they might find somewhere else, but they're here already. They built those roots you talked about. They have the roots here. Rita, Robert, Eric, a lot of people, Mr.